Hey, what's up, gang? It's your boy Rick, aka Iconic, back with another video. This is actually going to be a quick, short video. And yes, you read the title correct. I did blow up my account, not in the way that you're thinking. What happened was I went ahead and hit the 5% requirement for the fivers. Well, let me rephrase that. Not a requirement where you have to pass to complete the challenge, but it's a requirement for you to actually increase your account size. So every 5% that you increase your account size, increase your account in terms of how many money you make, 5% of the money that was given to you, your account increases. So my current $100,000 account, or the one that I had, is currently 125,000. I also made a withdrawal today of $2,000, so I made over 5,000, and my 50% was roughly 2,500 and something. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. The withdrawal. So let's do Control T. Bring this up. If you can see right now, my balance is well. Let me say this: the money that was deposited was 125,000. My equity right now is $125,524.01. Again, because I did initiate a $2,000 withdrawal. So if you go into the exposure here, actually history, you're going to see the deposit. Okay, and to the far right, 125,000. Profit level 2,524. That was my profit cut of 50%, and the profit withdrawal of $2,000. I'm also going to show you a screenshot or screen recording of my cell phone, which actually shows you the same thing. So in a nutshell, guys, I went ahead, I did increase the account by 5%. I was actually in a trade and I was up about $4,000. The last trade that I took was about $4,000. And as I went to go close out the trade, my phone froze. I thought I could easily just, reboot it real quick, not knowing that the phone was freaking dying. And I was actually outside, like I said. So the phone died. I was up over 4,000. By the time I got back into the house, the trade was at $1,000. So I ended up just closing out for 1,000, and that's why I only made over $5,000. So if not, I probably would have been at about, $7,000 to $8,000 with a profit split of over 4,000. So food for thought: always keep your damn cell phone charged, because you never know what's going on. So again, this is not about the charts right now. This is just about my account growth. So I went from 100,000. Now I'm trading a $125,000 account, and I think again we have to make 5%. All right, so right now, again, the same thing that you see is 125,524. I could actually go ahead and request all of this, because that's my money to request, because the fivers already took their profit. I just wanted to leave a little buffer in here. I really don't know where to go in here to see the money that was taken out. I mean, I'm not necessarily exploring this like that. All right, so the milestone on this one is $6,250. So once I make $6,250, then the account is going to increase again. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to go ahead and create a really quick video showing you the account growth. And again, you can trade up to 4 million. Once you start getting higher in percentage, then you start getting 80%. It's a good thing. I mean, you just need to have good risk management. Initially, I was, saying, hey, do 1% risk on some videos, but I don't think risking 1% initially is a good idea. I think you should go way lower than risking 1%, work your way up, build up your capital. Once you start building up your capital, then you can go ahead and take that 1%. But to risk 1% on any one trade is never a good idea. If you're going to risk 1%, make sure it's on multiple positions. That's a trade that's going in your favor. So you take that one trade, you wait for it to move enough to where you can actually move to break even or close to break even. Then you take another trade. And if you're going to not move the initial trade to break even, you can make sure that the two trades that's running equal to the first trade, so to speak. So if initially you were risking $300, right, and then you want to take a second trade, then move the first trade to about 150 and make sure the second trade is at about 150. All right, if that makes sense. Once that start to level out and you're able to take another trade, then you move those first two to break even, and then take that other trade, and wherever you move those stop losses from initially, you could put that third trade to that stop loss. And that's how I kind of like take multiple trades and make sure that I'm minimizing my risk. All right, so enough said. Again, this is just a quick short video. Account size right now is 125,524, 524 being my buffer. And with that being said, I am out. Again, drop a comment, like and subscribe, and share the video. Peace.